Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Lisa, your host for today's video. So in this video, I'm starting my fall decorating. But before I get started on the decorating, I want to share something with you. So first off, I'm in my kitchen. I want to move my stove and I want to clean behind my stove. If you don't clean behind your stove, you're going to be amazed some of the items that you'll find behind your stove. So let's see what we have behind our stove. We have a crayon, a penny, a paper towel, and a lot of trash and debris. So I have a new vacuum from Horniture. It's a Horniture P7 cordless vacuum. I love the ease of use, and as you can see, the vacuum is getting the job done by fluctuating different angles of my cleaning project. So now that the cleaning is all done, let's talk about the details of my amazing vacuum. So first off, you can adjust the height of the vacuum to your liking. The next feature is you can unconnect the actual bottom of the vacuum from the top. And I'll show you how you do that. There's a little button that you just push in, and then you just disconnect the top from the bottom, and from there you can actually empty the chamber of your vacuum by pressing that button there, and you can go to your trash can and empty the trash that accumulated in your vacuum. The vacuum also has some extra connectors, such as this connector here, in which it will allow you to actually clean in between crevices, like places that you really can't get to with the vacuum head itself. And it came in handy for my cleaning project. So let's get into some more details of the vacuum. So the vacuum also came with another brush, and it also lets you know how much charging capacity you have left. You can control the settings in a low, medium, and high setting. You also have an option to add fragrance to your vacuum. How awesome is that? So here's the charging port. You can charge the vacuum directly from the battery. You can have the battery connected to the vacuum and you can charge it. You can also attach it to the wall and charge it. Here, an extra filter set for when you clean the one that's in the vacuum. You have to let that one dry, so you have an extra one to use. Okay, loves, let's get started on this fall decorating. So you know I love adding these appliance door handles to my appliances throughout the year. I took the black ones off and I'm going with this rust burnt orange color. These are from Amazon. They also sell them on the TikTok shop, exact same ones. So I'm going to have them linked down below. It comes in a 5-piece set and a 6-piece set. It comes in all colors. So of course, you know, for the holidays, I'm going to be using red. I actually have the cloth ones and the leather ones for red, but these are awesome. If you want to add a pop of color to your kitchen area for the season throughout the year, these are perfect. And I like the leather ones because you can just take a wet towel and wash them off. Now the cloth ones are nice too. They're a velvet cloth. I just throw those in the washing machine and they come absolutely clean like new. So I have the 5-piece set for my 3 on my refrigerator, 2 on my actually 1 on my stove, and then 1 on my microwave, and they are absolutely cute. Let's talk about this beautiful towel. Now this comes in a set. It comes in an orange and white towel that says Hello Pumpkin. Then it has this black and white stripy polka dot towel. Absolutely beautiful, from Amazon. I'll have that link down below. Then I have the burnt orange rug, and then of course I wanted to layer it. What do you think about me layering that? Then I also had to add some rug grippers because that burnt orange rug was slipping. Those rug grippers are awesome. If you have a slipping rug, these will help. I'll have that link down below as well. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget, I have a link down below to the vacuum.